Hello everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this video shows you how to unload the PDF file you downloaded from some website. So now this is the PDF file I downloaded, but it's secure. It's locked. Do you have such a problem? Okay, so you see now this secure file and it's locked. So it means it cannot be opened on edited by some application software. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to solve this problem by using online tool. It's easy. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Have a look at this. So you can use some online tools. Can you see? So you can use this website, small PDF, and then you can also use this website. I love PDFs and to go. You can use one of these, but I will use the PDF or to go. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, first of all, you have to open the browser, right? And then so you have to type on a search bar. It's a free size. Okay, click on it. And then so you have to select from device pattern. Okay, you can draw on dots document here upload, right? Okay, so select. And then so you will see you can go to you know unlock the PDF file location. So this is my PDF I uploaded. Sorry, I downloaded, right? So opening, select in, open it. So you will see it's working. It's the complete first, depending on your internet connection, but you had to wait for a few minutes. Okay, it's still working. But you know the size of the PDF file you want to convert it. So less than hundred megabytes because this is free size. Okay, it's still working. Please wait. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, you have to wait for another a few seconds. Okay, so now you can download it. Okay, you can download it, unlock PDF file. So you can use this in, you can open by using any application easily. So I think it will be useful for you. Okay, so I download this. Okay, I will show you. So download. You see now, this is the unlock file. I will opening. Okay, now you see there. So not this is the unlock. Okay, is this software remove the password on unlock. Okay, so thank you so much.